Do you remember when I made a post about this machine? Well, I got this machine at Menards the other day, and we actually did get that machine. And you're wondering, where is it? Well, there it is. Right there. There's the new Maytag that I've been talking about. This is the new Maytag washing machine. Here's the model number. I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. There. Yep, this is the new Maytag. Brand new. I don't really have any laundry for it right now, but I might wash these brand new sheets. I might test it. Is it plugged in? Oh, it does work. Here it is. There's the power. Yeah. Normal, regular. No medium spin. That stays. But what's here? Temperature. Sweet. That's pretty cool. And yes, this is the agitator model. And the detergent drawers right here. It's for sulfur detergent. This is cool. But there's just one thing though. What should I name this machine? What should I name it? I don't know, but it's cool. Yeah, this is the machine I've been talking about in my community tab. Can't wait to use it.